What's going on, guys? The Hungarian here. Today we're going to be doing a review on the Htv Vinyl heat transfer vinyl. Purchased this from Amazon for $20.49. The measurement is 12 inches by 20 feet. We're going to be comparing that to the famous Siser Htv. Just right off the bat, there is a large difference between thickness of the material of the vinyl. So we're going to be using the Cricut Maker to be cutting both vinyls. I'm going to have it set to the everyday iron-on setting, so they'll be cutting at the same pressure, and we'll see how they perform. Alright, so on the left here we have the Htv Vinyl from Amazon. On the right here we have the Siser Easy Weed. So I've got it set to basic material, set to everyday iron on. Pressure is default. Make sure you guys mirror the image. I don't know how many times I made that mistake and not mirror the image and completely screw it up. So let's feed it in. Alright, let's see here. Let's cut it. We're going to be cutting a simple tortoise. So it certainly shouldn't be too difficult. Alright, so we're going to slide this out of the way, feed it out. So I don't know if you guys are able to see it. We'll end up zooming in when we peel this. I know the white you definitely can't see the cuts on it. Well, there it is. So there you can see the cuts. Alright, let's close that. Alright, so we're going to cut, so we get some light on it. I'm going to cut some excess material here off, hopefully. We don't need that. So let's try this HTV, see what happens. We're using the Cricut pick here. I don't know if that's the official name or not, but that's what we're going with. So the website, Htv Front or Ront, says you just grab it and pull. So you can see what's happening there. And this stuff is thick, I gotta tell you. There goes the leg. It's done tore the leg off. Okay. So at this point it's already tearing the leg and it's getting into the shell. There you go, you can see it right there. Okay. So let's try Siser Easy Weed. We're going to do the same thing, go for the corner. Once again, this stuff is a lot thinner. So we're going to pull it the same way. Okay. And grab it right there. I can't see it. As much as I struggled with it, I thought I was tearing into it. So if I tear this, let me get it back. Go ahead and finish tearing it. There's the leg. Alright. So tore that. I was ready to tear the leg off. So we're going to be peeling the shell. This little piece right here. I know you guys can't see it. You'll see it here in a second. That just keeps on tearing. I should be able to. So it's pulling that up. Let's try this. I'm having a hard time seeing the white, really. So there's the white. So now I'm going to grab it. Look at the difference, guys. Look at that. One pull. That's massive there. Alright. So now if you went with the $20 stuff, I don't even know where you would start. If you guys are doing this to make money, you definitely don't want to waste your time picking that much. And it's as easy as it's tearing. Look at that. That's horrible. Is there any eyes? There's no eyes. So that's it, guys. You seen the difference between... I mean, this was one smooth pull. And this was... Well, you can see what happened. So Htv Ront. $20.49. I would not recommend this for anybody. Well, if you have the time and patience, but I end up cutting out a piece and I put it onto a shirt, and it even looks bad. It's too thick. It doesn't blend into the shirt. I don't know how to explain that, but I mean it's there. It's not going to come off, I don't think, but it's just the vinyl is so much thicker compared to, I know you guys can't see, but it's so much thicker compared to Siser. So right now on Amazon I can get Siser, the Easy Weed Siser brand. I think it was, let's see, 5 yards for $37. And you're not wasting material. Because right now this is either going to come out good or it's not. Well, it already isn't because it already tore. So and this right here I can make my money on. So there you go. Alright guys, let me know what you think. Give me a thumbs up. Make sure you guys subscribe. Thank you.